Welcome to Burma Wala Kitchen. Today I'm thrilled to guide you through preparing a delightful dish. Chicken mandi with fragrant smoked rice. It's a recipe that's wonderfully uncomplicated, yet delivers an explosion of flavors. You'll find the complete list of ingredients in the description below for your convenience. To begin, heat a quarter cup of oil in a pan. Add in 2 chopped onions and a whole bulb of chopped garlic. Let them sizzle and soften for about 5 minutes. Next, let's bring in the aromatic spices. 1 teaspoon each of clove, whole cumin, peppercorn, a cinnamon stick, coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon of green cardamom, 2 bay leaves, along with 1 tablespoon of salt and a teaspoon of ground black pepper powder. Allow these beautiful spices to infuse their scents for approximately 3 minutes until your kitchen is filled with their fragrance. Now introduce a whole chicken cut into halves. Pour in 5 cups of water and bring it all to a rolling boil. Add a dry lemon. Skim off any foam that appears. Cover it up and let it simmer for a delightful 30 minutes over medium heat. While the chicken is simmering away, let's craft the mandi sauce. Place a handful of cherry tomatoes into a blender, or 1 large tomato works well too. Add a roughly chopped onion, 4 garlic cloves, 4 green chilies, a teaspoon each of salt and pepper, and a small bunch of fresh coriander leaves. Blend it until smooth and finish it off with a tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. Adjust the consistency to your liking by adding a touch of water if needed. Once the chicken is cooked through, carefully remove it from the pan and allow it to cool down to room temperature. Now onto the rice. Combine a cup of water with the chicken broth. Stir in 2 cups of washed long grain rice that has been soaking for an hour. Bring it to a boil, cover, and let it gently simmer for about 20 minutes. Let's not forget about the saffron mixture. It adds that special touch. In a bowl, mix 1 teaspoon of saffron, salt, pepper, a hint of orange color, lemon juice, a tablespoon of oil, and 2 tablespoons of chicken broth. Once combined, generously brush this blend over the cooled chicken and bake it in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Once the rice is cooked, delicately brush some saffron mixture over it too. To elevate the presentation, place the cooked chicken on top of the rice. Create a bit of drama by using a small metal bowl with a hot coal and a touch of oil to infuse a delightful smoky flavor. Cover it for 5 minutes. Voila! The dish is now ready to be served. Arrange the fragrant rice at the base of a round metal tray, place the chicken on top, and garnish with fried onions and toasted cashews for added texture. Thank you for joining me in making this wonderful dish. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If you enjoyed it, please consider leaving a like, sharing your thoughts in the comments, sharing this video, and subscribing to the channel for more delightful recipes.